Hey guys, it's Video Tech Dude from Video Tech Dude Academy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the participants and chat features in Zoom. So let's jump into the computer and check it out. Alright, so we're here in Zoom. We are in a Zoom meeting right now, one that we have joined. And so if you're a participant in a Zoom meeting, you'll have some options down here at the bottom. We covered in the past video the audio and video settings, but we have the participants tab right here. You might be asking yourself, what does it do? I'm going to click on it, and that opens up this pane on the right side. This shows you everybody who is in the meeting, and you can mute or unmute yourself, and you can't do that to other people unless you're hosting the meeting. But then you can also edit your profile picture from here or rename yourself. This can be handy if you are trying to go under a different alias or something like that. I don't know. But then you have on the bottom of the participant screen, you have a bunch of options such as raise hand. When you're in a Zoom meeting, somebody may ask you to raise your hand, and you may want to do it in real life, and that might work, I don't know. But they're probably referring to raising it in Zoom. So you just click on the button, and the host will be able to see that your hand is raised as it's displayed right over here. And you can push the button again, and the hand will go down. This is the same with all these different options, and there's even more under the more icon, which is thumbs up, thumbs down, clap, coffee, away. I think this one's pretty funny. Need a break. That might be kind of insulting, but I don't know. But then you can also get the invite link for the meeting right here as well by pushing copy invite link, and then you'll be able to right click and paste that in to wherever you want. So pretty cool. You can also unmute yourself here too. There's actually quite a few ways to unmute yourself, so that's pretty cool. Also by clicking on your video where it says unmute, that's another way. But that's the participants window. You can also have multiple windows opened at one time in a way, and you can pop it out by pushing this little arrow, pop out, and now this is its own window. To merge this back to the main meeting window, you just push this button and boom. Now I'm going to go to the chat function that is right here where it says chat. You can see you can use Alt plus H to open up the chat, and the chat opens up right here. You can see both these windows are open at the same time, so if things aren't where you think they were, it's probably because you opened multiple things at the same time. But now you can type a message like hello and push enter. That will send it out to everybody. If you want to send it privately to an individual person, if the meeting allows it, that is, you can select that person. This is the other me in the meeting, and now it says privately, and you can say hi, and it is indicated in red that it is a private message. So that's pretty cool. And then change it back to everyone. That can get kind of tricky. So yeah, but you can also share files through Zoom too by pushing file, and you can select one of these. You push your computer if you want to share one that's on your desktop, like a picture or something like that. And you can also save the chat as well, which is kind of cool. That is about it for the chat, but you can also pop it out just like the participants window by pushing the little down arrow, pop out, and boom. So you can have this in a different area of the screen if you want it to be less distracting or more distracting. I don't know, you can do your own thing, but that is that. And then you can push the three little dots and merge back to meeting window, and boom, we're good to go for the chat. That's about it for the chat and participants feature if you have joined somebody else's meeting. If you want to become a master at Zoom, make sure you check out the playlist down below where you can become a master at Zoom in the Zoom Master Series playlist. It's kind of a mouthful, but it's pretty cool. So with that being said, if you liked it, just put a like on the video. It'll help me out a lot. And also subscribe if you want to see more content like this as well. With that being said, I'll see you next time.